Hi everybody, in this lesson we will learn track mattes. Track mattes is when a layer masks another layer. The appearance of a layer is determined by another one. Here we have a star and a rectangle. If we copy the rectangle, Ctrl D to duplicate it, and we will make the second rectangle a mask or a matte for the star. Let's rename this star. Now the track matte is a column with modes, and now the appearance of the below layer is determined by the above layer. How can we make this? If we change the track matte of the star to alpha matte, now the star will not appear outside the rectangle. I want to notice that if we disappear the blue one, that the matte have been disappeared. It works only as a matte, and what is appearing is the original copy, and now the star appears only inside the rectangle. What if we make this alpha inverted matte? Now the star will appear anywhere except inside the rectangle. As you see, it disappears inside the rectangle. This trick is very helpful, and we use it in multiple cases. Most animation depends on track mattes, and we have also Luma matte and Luma inverted matte. This matte depends on colors, and it's used a lot also, and it's very useful, but it's an advanced technique that we will explain later. That's it, and thank you now, and see you next lesson.